This is the SVA Lavender Premium Essential Oil. The brand sent this to me so that way I can tell you all about it. And this smells amazing. I love the scent of lavender. I love it so much that it's our wedding scent. This lavender essential oil is steam distilled in order to procure the lavender oil. And certain ways that I love using lavender oil is in particular in my baths. What I will do is I will add unscented essential oil. I'm sorry. I will add unscented Epsom salt to a bag. Making a mess here. And like with this essential oil, it does come capped with a safety cap on it as well. So then that way, you know, so you will need to remove that in order to use this. And so you've got you have access to the essential oil either through there, or it also comes with this really nice long dropper. And so what you would do, and so what I do is I just obtain some of the essential oil. And then I put a couple drops in there. You don't need a lot because essential oil is quite potent. And then oh, it smells so good. And that's one way that I use these essential oils. Another way is because this is lavender, and like I had stated, my wedding scent is lavender. I'm having lavender everywhere. So I will be actually putting a couple drops on the artificial lavender. I will be putting a couple drops on the artificial lavender sprigs. So then that way, you know, we get the slight scent of lavender during our wedding. And then this is the 4-ounce bottle. And it's really nice because it is in a amber colored glass. So then that way it helps eliminate the degradation of the oil in case there is incidental sunlight, but you do want to try and keep this out of the sunlight as much as you can in a dark, you know, cool place. At least not in direct sunlight, and definitely not in somewhere that's really hot.